Electric Safety Audits by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Electrical energy is the backbone of every industry. Whether it is a manufacturing plant, commercial building, hospital, data center, refinery, warehouse or infrastructure project, reliable and safe electrical systems are essential for uninterrupted operations. However, electrical hazards continue to be one of the leading causes of industrial accidents, equipment damage, production losses, and fire incidents. Many organizations invest heavily in machinery and infrastructure but often overlook the health and safety of their electrical systems until an accident occurs. This is where electrical safety audits play a critical role. In today's video, we will discuss what is an electrical safety audit, why every organization needs one, benefits of conducting electrical safety audits, what is covered during an audit, industries that require electrical safety audits, why choose URGS International for electrical safety audit services. Let us begin. What is an electrical safety audit? An electrical safety audit is a systematic examination of an organization's electrical installations, equipment, operating practices, and maintenance procedures. The objective is to identify electrical hazards before they become accidents. The audit evaluates whether electrical systems are safe, reliable, efficient, compliant with applicable standards and regulations, properly maintained. Electrical safety audits are preventive in nature. Instead of waiting for failures, organizations identify risks in advance and implement corrective actions. Why are electrical safety audits important? Electrical failures can result in electric shock, arc flash incidents, fire accidents, explosion hazards, equipment failures, production downtime, business interruption, financial losses, legal liabilities, environmental damage, loss of human life. Most of these incidents can be prevented through regular inspections and professional electrical safety audits. Common electrical hazards. During our audits, we frequently identify issues such as loose electrical connections, improper earthing, overloaded circuits, damaged cables, poor insulation, overheated electrical panels, incorrect cable sizing, improper circuit protection, unsafe electrical practices, lack of preventive maintenance, water ingress into electrical systems, improper housekeeping around electrical installations. These issues may appear minor initially but can eventually lead to major failures. Now, objectives of electrical safety audits. The main objectives include protecting employees, protecting electrical equipment, improving operational reliability, reducing fire risks, preventing accidents, ensuring regulatory compliance, reducing maintenance costs, improving business continuity, increasing equipment life, enhancing workplace safety culture. Scope of electrical safety audit. A comprehensive electrical safety audit generally includes electrical distribution systems, ST and LT panels, transformers, switchgear, motor control centers, power distribution boards, cable routing, cable terminations, protective relays, earthing systems, lighting protection systems, emergency power systems, UPS systems, diesel generator synchronization, electrical rooms, control panels, industrial machines, safety signage, electrical documentation, maintenance records, emergency response preparedness. Earthing assessment. Proper earthing is one of the most important aspects of electrical safety. Our audit verifies earth resistance, bonding effectiveness, earth pits, earth continuity, protective earthing, equipment grounding. A poor earthing system can result in serious electrical hazards and equipment failures. Switchgear inspection. Switchgear protects electrical systems during abnormal conditions. During audits, we inspect circuit breakers, bus bars, protection coordination, mechanical condition, electrical clearances, panel ventilation, overheating signs, insulation condition, operational safety, proper labeling. Electrical panel inspection. Electrical panels are inspected for loose wiring, hot spots, cable tracing, panel cleanliness, mechanical damage, door interlocks, panel accessibility, protection devices, proper identification, safety clearances. Now cable inspection. Cable systems are checked for insulation damage, mechanical protection, correct cable sizing, termination quality, cable routing, cable trace, overloading, excessive heating, improper joints, environmental protection. Thermal imaging. Thermography has become one of the most effective tools for preventive maintenance. Using infrared thermography, we can detect hot connections, loose terminals, overloaded circuits, overheated breakers, transformer heating, motor overheating, uneven load distribution. Without shutting down operations, early detection prevents costly failures. Now, risk assessment. An important part of our audit involves identifying electrical hazards, probability of occurrence, severity of consequences, existing control measures, recommended corrective actions, risk prioritization. This enables organizations to focus on critical issues first. Now, compliance verification. Electrical safety audits also verify compliance with applicable national standards, international standards, electrical safety regulations, factory safety requirements, occupational health and safety requirements, client specific standards, internal company procedures. Benefits of electrical safety audits. Organizations benefit through reduced accidents, improved electrical reliability, lower maintenance costs, reduced downtime, improved employee safety, better regulatory compliance, improved insurance confidence, longer equipment life, reduced energy losses, improved productivity, enhanced corporate reputation. Industries we serve. URGS International provides electrical safety audits for manufacturing industries, automotive, steel plants, cement plants, power plants, chemical industries, oil and gas, food processing, pharmaceuticals, hospitals, commercial buildings, shopping malls, hotels, data centers, warehouses, infrastructure projects, educational institutions, airports, ports, renewable energy plants, water treatment plants, and many more. Why choose URGS International? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides professional electrical safety audit services backed by experienced engineers and industry experts. Our strengths include experienced electrical engineers, comprehensive inspections, detailed technical reporting, practical recommendations, risk-based assessment, professional documentation, timely project execution, customer-focused approach, support across India and internationally. What will you receive? After completion of audit, clients receive detailed audit report, risk assessment report, photographic evidence, observations, non-conformities, recommendations, corrective action plan, executive summary, compliance status, priority-wise action items. Conclusion. Electrical safety is not merely a regulatory requirement, it is a commitment to protecting people, assets, and business operations. Regular electrical safety audits help organizations identify hidden risks, prevent accidents, improve operational reliability, and ensure compliance with applicable standards. By investing in preventive audits today, organizations can avoid costly failures tomorrow. If your organization is looking to strengthen its electrical safety systems, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with professional and comprehensive electrical safety audit services. Now, contact us. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message first on WhatsApp for your query. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on industrial safety, inspections, ISO standards, compliance, testing, certification and auditing services. Thank you for watching and we look forward to supporting your organization in creating a safer and more reliable workplace.